a bug in my sandwich. Spelunkers.
We're in Virginia. Our first stop is Shenandoah National Park. It is rainy and cold out, but we just did most of the Skyline Drive and it was very beautiful. And where'd you find for us to stay tonight?
We got a campground right here in the park. It's big cut line. What's a campground called?
Big Meadows.
Big Meadow. It's Big Meadow Campground. It's one of the bigger ones. We reserved it online, and
no showers.
It said they had a shower online. I called. They don't have a shower, but the campsite right down the road does have a shower. So we're gonna shower at that campsite and then go to our campsite. They got bathrooms, they got water, they got dump stations, so we're good to go. We are here at our campsite in Shenandoah. The campsite that had showers apparently closed before 5 because we got there at 5 and they were closed. But that's okay. We could shower another day. That's fine. But yeah, it's about 5:30 and it's pitch black out and raining. So.
And 30 degrees.
It's also 30 degrees. Joey's very cold. I'm sitting in the front where I sit. Joey's in the back where she sits. And we blast the heat so she can stay warm, and I just sweat up here. And she sticks her little cold feet up through the curtains to get warm while I'm sweating my little sauna next to the engine.
So what are we gonna do all night?
It's gonna rain, and we're gonna.
I have a class to log on to. That's
little
good.
Penny whistle. Yeah, Joey's got class at 8, and the Islanders play at 8. But it's like 5:30, so we still got 2.5 hours to kill before the entertainment.
Good morning. We just got the van packed up and we are headed out of Shenandoah. It'll take us about an hour to actually exit the park. And we were hoping for some good views, but it's really foggy, so I don't know what we'll see. We might just mostly be avoiding deer. Obviously I'm driving, which is why I'm not looking at the camera, and Evan is busy getting to work. After we leave the park, we're gonna stop by a coffee shop that I found. Looks like they have some breakfast burritos, and they also have this like turkey fig sandwich that I thought you might like. Yeah. So we're gonna work there for a little bit because I have some school to catch up on, and then we're going to head to meet up with 2 of my friends from my old unit for some ramen.
We got our breakfast burritos. They were very tasty. The place was adorable. It was a little like wine bar, cafe, coffee shop. Very nice and fancy in there. They had a big chandelier. Very pretty. A lot of people working in there, but we just got our little burritos and enjoyed them. Mine was sausage. Joey's was jalapeno.
There were black beans on there.
The beans and pico. Very tasty. The fig sandwich that Joey was talking about, which is a lunch option. That's okay. I enjoyed my burrito. We still have half of them to eat later. And now, Joey's got a little bit of a headache because she didn't get coffee here. So we got to get her some coffee at the next stop we stop at, which will be a Starbucks, it looks like. And yeah, get some work done. Something to say? Keep going.
I know. I didn't know that like lack of caffeine headaches were an actual thing, but they've been happening the past few days. I'm a loyal coffee drinker in the mornings, but I've been drinking it at like lunchtime instead, and that's kind of a bummer. Evan asked if I wanted to give up caffeine, and I said absolutely not. So we'll head over to Starbucks, work some, and get some coffee. Nice construction workers here. Give everybody a good wave.
Nice. They probably think we're filming them.
They
we're not
Sorry,
filming
guys.
them. We're just
not
filming us.
you. Sorry. We just had a nice long work sesh at a coffee shop, and now we are at Leopold's Preserve. We're gonna walk around some because it's not raining today. So we're gonna do a little stroll. I didn't really look at the trail map, but we'll try to find a mile loop because that's our favorite thing. And then we are on to dinner.
just finished our hike, and Joey's going to the bathroom. I'm holding all of her stuff, and I don't know what we're doing next. Joey's planning today, so I guess she'll tell you when she gets back, or probably after the fact is when she'll tell you. But I'm sure it'll be fun. All right, Joey's back. So why don't you tell us what we're doing?
We are about to go to Daikaya Ramen with Julia and Rachel. They were in my old unit. We went here while I was still stationed in Washington, D.C. You want to come back and visit them? This is where we go. I've told Evan all about it, and it's the best ramen place I've ever been to. I think they have a Michelin star, and we're going to meet up with them. They don't accept reservations, so we have to wait out in the cold for a little bit while we wait for a table, and we're going to try out some of the DC's best ramen.
Let's do it.
Hi everybody, these are our friends. We're at our ramen place, and Julia is a new subscriber to our channel. Julia, why should other people subscribe?
Oh, because Joey and Evan are awesome, and I'm excited to see more of their adventures.
You heard it here first. Good morning. This is our last day in Virginia. We had a great time hanging out with my friends in Washington, D.C. last night. They kind of showed Evan around the city, even though he's been there. But anyway, Julia wanted to make sure he got to see all the cool stuff. So she pointed everything out while we were walking around. And we really enjoyed our ramen. I'm very disappointed though, because I took some of mine to go, and of course I forgot it in Rachel's fridge. But they were very hospitable, and we spent the night at Nick and Rachel's and got a nice hot shower, slept in a real bed. There were a bunch of pillows. Pillows are hard to come by in this van. So we had a really pleasant night. And then our first stop this morning was that we had to double back to the Starbucks we were at yesterday because I left my satchel there. And fortunately, my phone and wallet were not in the satchel, but my passport was. So anyway, we went right back there and got it. And so now we're ready to hit the road. We are headed to Virginia Beach today, and we are stopping at Chipokes State Park on the way. And I haven't really told Evan what's at that state park, but do you have any guesses?
Probably some chipokes. Maybe that's like a form of chipwich, some sort of ice cream sandwich with cookies involved. That's what I'm thinking we're gonna get at Chipokes.
We just got to the state park, and we've got our waders out. You know what that means. We're going fossil hunting, baby. We've been out here hunting for a while and haven't had any luck, but I just came across a little fragment which made me hopeful about this pile, and now look what I found. Got one. Oh yeah, it's pretty good. Not a shark tooth, but still cool. This is a vertebrae of something, probably a fish because it's so small. We got to our harvest host and just finished up a mead tasting, and we had like 14 different little sampler tastes of mead. The lady Norma was wonderful, and she was like, I'm Irish, so I pour heavy. And I was like, oh no, please don't, because both of us are lightweights. So she was telling us the backstory behind each mead, and we didn't want to get like a bottle of them after tasting all of those, but we got some really great honey. Yeah, so we tasted the spring and the summer honey and ended up getting a bottle of the spring, which is more blossomy. So now we need to get some bread or something, because we don't have anything to eat this honey with. But I think, little peanut butter honey breads would be good.
We could put it in our tea. We've been doing tea at nighttime. So we put some honey in there.
Yeah.
And peanut butter honey bread would be nice.
And what's your vision for dinner? We can't drive anywhere right now.
So we'll eat what's in the van, which is, what do we got?
Chicken nugs, veggie chicken nugs, mashed potatoes.
We have mac and cheese, don't we?
Yep, we have mac and cheese. Oh yeah. So we're gonna make some dinner and call it a night.